Hi there. Welcome to Health Zen. I would like to share something with you that I consider very important when it comes to staying healthy. One of the best ways to do that is by fueling our bodies with the right nutrients. But let's talk about something important: the difference between getting your vitamins and minerals from food versus supplements. Whole foods, like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and grains, don't just provide vitamins and minerals. They're packed with fiber, antioxidants, and other compounds that work together to keep us healthy. These nutrients are naturally balanced and easier for our bodies to absorb. Mother Nature really knows best. Supplements can be helpful, especially if you're dealing with deficiencies. But here's the thing: they're not a replacement for real food. Most supplements isolate nutrients, and without the natural teamwork of other compounds in food, they might not be as effective. And in some cases, taking too much of certain supplements can even be harmful. Eating nutrient-rich foods doesn't just nourish your body. It's also an opportunity to enjoy the flavors, textures, and even the memories tied to meals. Plus, it encourages us to slow down and connect with our well-being. So, next time you're thinking about your health, start with your plate. Whole foods are the foundation of vibrant living. Supplements can help fill the gaps, but they should never take center stage. Here's to eating well and feeling amazing, because you deserve it.